Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Tanner down at Sentinel RV Center in Alexandria, Louisiana, on this beautiful rainy Saturday afternoon, and we're looking at the 2026 294 CKBS Jayco Eagle HT model. This thing is a nice rear living layout, pretty much a fifth wheel on a travel trailer chassis. We're gonna have big power awning, so 14-foot power awning with the LED lights across the front. It's going to have opposing slide outs, outdoor sound system. This thing is going to be 37 foot long and come in at 10,042 pounds. As we step inside, we're going to have the dinette table and chairs here. It's got the leaf in there. Gonna pull out, give you some extra table space. This here is actually an ottoman storage in there, great for blankets, pillows. This piece here just actually velcros to the wall, so you can take that ottoman, pull it over there in front of the sofa, and then at that point you can just take the other chair and pull it around the other side. Gonna have the theater seating recliners with the removable tables. The sofa is gonna pull out into a full-size bed. You can easily sleep 2 adults on that, 3 kids. We're gonna have TV. It's gonna be a 32-inch smart TV. We're gonna have sound system, indoor, outdoor speakers, and the TV is also integrated to that. So the sound of the TV will play to the speakers inside. Electric fireplace. That's gonna give you a good electric heat source there, so you don't have to run that gas furnace. Some nice accent lighting around that island. All solid surface countertops. We got the TikTok sink with the glass washer, vegetable washer, comes out there, soap dispenser, pull down. This is going to lock the drain if you want to fill it up with water. You got a little soaker, and then the cutting boards over the top there. Convection microwave, 12-volt refrigerator, good little pantry area here. And then a great spot for air fryer, coffee maker, all of the above there. All real wood cabinets. This system here is going to have the BM Pro. It's not regular push buttons. Got the tank monitor there, but you can connect this to your phone and do everything on the app. Run the slides out, awning out. Coming to the bathroom, we got a nice medicine cabinet. And then great linen closet. That's also prepped for the washer and dryer. Skylight give you plenty of headspace here in the shower, and it is prepped for the seat backer right there in that wall. You can put that seat in there, flips up and down. You see it on majority of your North Point and Pinnacle model fifth wheels. So you've got the toilet paper holder and towel rack on the door. Coming to the master bedroom, we're gonna have this one's option with the king size bed. I think it's a 72 by 80. And this will be your washer and dryer prep closet for your combination washer and dryer. Storage underneath the bed. Most of the time you would see this would be the washer and dryer part, but this will be just closet space. And then you would have another wardrobe closet that's got the dual doors, so you can open it from either side. Great layout, very popular floor plan. And this thing is at a really good price. We got it on sale right now, and we're trying to move this thing out of here. We got it at $61,995. If you'd like more information, you call me, text me at 318-541-9689. Thank y'all for sticking around and checking it out. Till next time, happy camping.